That was Jordan from Family Groove Company on the keyboard. It's easy sometimes when you can just coast along. But like it or not, some things that always seem to go wrong. Sometimes they just build you up so that they can knock you down. Sometimes you are there so they can have someone around. Perhaps you'll receive invitations for tea. Perhaps you will laugh and make them all smile. Perhaps you will join them, cause it just had to be. Perhaps you'll forget, and you forgot for a while. Birds of a feather are flocking outside. 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 Life in the circus, it ain't easy. The people on the outside don't know. The curtain goes up and the tent comes down. All that they see is the show. The ladies on the horses, they look so pretty. The lions are looking real mad. Some of the clowns are so happy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, you know, some of them are sad. Underneath, there's an expression that the makeup is not making. Life under the big top, it's about freedom, it's about faking. There is an art to the laughter, there is a science. You need a lot of love and compliance. Thanks for coming to the freak show, here we go. It was just another freak show. Thanks for coming to the freak show, here we go. It was a sexy bitches freak show. Thanks for coming to the freak show, here we go. Just another freak show. Thanks for coming to the freak show, here we go. A late night, sexy bitches, sexy bitches, sexy motherfucker. Shaking that ass, shaking that ass, sexy motherfucker. Shaking that ass, shaking that ass, sexy motherfucker. Shaking that ass, shaking that ass, sexy motherfucker. Shaking that ass, shaking that ass. We live to hear the slack jaw gasping. We live under a halo of held breath. And when children raise up a giant shield of laughter, it's like they're fending off death. And we can make something bigger than any one of us alone. And then the clowns will all take off their makeup and all the people will all go home. Life on the outside, it ain't easy. No elephants, no sequins, no parading around. Well, the circus comes and the circus goes, and you'll start in this really cool summer camp town. Well, you need a lot of love and compliance. You need a lot of love and compliance. Welcome to the freak show, here we go. It was just another freak show. Welcome to the freak show, here we go. Umphrey, Mcgee, and Mo. Welcome to the freak show, here we go. It's just another freak show. Welcome to the freak show, here we go. Words by Ani DeFranco. Whippets they dance, the curly Q dance, to pulses and ringing and campfire chants, and ritual drumming, although at first glance you thought you could run, but you don't stand a chance. It's not an experience that can't bring someone along. They peck at the ground and strut out emotions they bottle inside. Birds of a feather are flocking outside. 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 Thank you. See you later.